Hari, we can start the session.
Yeah, okay, sir. Sure. Hi, students. Good morning, all. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear my voice? Audio is clear? If it is clear, give me a thumbs up in the chat. Can you all see this PowerPoint presentation? Is it visible? Okay, we will start. So we will see about today Wipro topic specified questions. The ratio between speed of two trains is 5:3. If the first train runs 350 kilometer in 2 hours, then what is the speed of second train? So have a glance on the question. 105 kilometer. So we will have a glance. So we all know that speed equal to distance by time. Okay. So it is given that ratio between two trains, that is 5:3. First train is given as 350 kilometer and time is 2 hours. So first ratio, that is 5x equal to distance 350 divided by 2 hours. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. That is 70. Again, two ones are 235 times. So x equal to 35. They're asking about speed of second train. Second is 3x. So 3 into x is 35. If you multiply, you will get 3 by 15 carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So answer is 105. Option 3. Clear? So have a glance on the solution. Any doubts, you can comment in the chat. So if suppose if they ask what is the speed of first train means what is the answer? Comment your answers in the chat. What is the speed of first train? Super excellent. So 175 because 5 into 30 75. Okay, students, have you all understood the first question? Anyone has got doubts? Any doubts, students, in the first question? If you understood the question and the answer. So only one person has given, Rohit has given. What about other students? So Aditya and Debojit Shaha, Rinzin, Rohit and Tanish. Have you all understood the first question? Shall we move on with second question? If you want to have a glance, you can have it. Okay, students, thank you for all your responses. So moving on with second question. Raghu was supposed to multiply the number of cans sold with the price of one can to ascertain the amount earned by him. This is him by him. Okay. Instead of taking 41 as the number of cans, she wrote 14 by mistake. As a result, the product went down by 135. What is the other multiplier? Okay. So have a glance on the question. So if anyone else has completed the question, you can comment your answers in the chat. Let me see who is the first person getting the right answer. Anyone else has got the answer for this question? That is, instead of taking 41, he wrote 14 as mistake. Okay, so original number is 41. Instead of 41, he wrote 14. Okay, so that the product is 135. So 41 minus 14 is 27x. 27x equal to 135. Okay, what about x? So x equal to 27 by 135. 135 divided by 27. If you can cancel 1 times, this is 5 times. So x equal to 5. So answer is first option. That's it. So have a glance. If it is understood, give me a thumbs up or understood in the chat. So any questions, any doubts from this question, students? If it is clear, so have a glance on the question and the solution, so that we can move on to the next question. Okay, students, thank you for your responses. So we can move on with the next question. Yeah, try this question. Tunnel, slowly, what is given and what is asked. We have to be clear. Okay, I hope you understood the question. So we can move on with the solution. See, first, a train runs at a speed is given as 42 meter per second, and it takes 35 seconds to pass a tunnel. Okay, first, when we are moving with train is s equal to l plus l1 plus l2 by t. Okay, instead of d I'm using l, where l1 is the length of the train, l2 is the length of the tunnel. Okay, s is given as 42, so 42 equal to l1 plus l2 divided by time is given as 35 seconds. Okay, so from this what we have to do is l1 plus l2 equal to multiply 42 into 35. So what is the value you will get? So 42 into 35. Okay, if you multiply, 5 2s are 10, 0 carry 1, 20 plus 6, 26 plus 1, 27, 7 carry 2. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So 1470. This is L1 plus L2. Clear? So next, moving on with the second half of the question. After traveling some distance, it takes 15 seconds to pass a pole. Okay, so same train it takes L by T. Okay. Now same train. Speed is 42 equal to length. I don't know what is the train. It takes 15 seconds. Time is given as 15 seconds. So now you can easily find this one. L equal to 15 into 42. So there is a shortcut to multiply 15 into 42. The shortcut is if any number is multiplied by 15, you have to take the half of that number. Example, 42 is the number here. So half is 21. So add this one, 41 plus 22, 42 plus 21 is 63. And it should be multiplied by 10. So into 10 means 0, 630. Clear? This is 630. This is L1. Okay. Substitute this L1 in here. You will get L2. That is 1470 minus 630. 0 here, 4 here is 8. So answer is 840. So option 3 is the answer. That's it. Understood, students? So have a glance. If it is clear and understood, give me your responses in the chat. Correct, 840. So Devojit, excellent. Akshay Prasad, super. Very good. So others, you can have a glance. Okay, students, any doubts in this question? Have you all had a glance of the solution and the question? Shall we move on with next question? Okay, thank you. Next question. The packaging unit of a factory has two panels. So each of the panel contains 4 rows of items stored. Each row has 4 kinds of items that are to be packed. How many items are stored for packaging in the packaging unit? So have a glance on the question. Try this question. Comment your answers in the chat. Let me see how many are getting the right answer. So 32. Excellent. Debojit, Tanish, Aditya, Akshay. So your answer is correct. Excellent, students. So we can see the solution for this. So we have two panels. This is panel 1. This is panel 2. Clear. So each of the panel has 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each row has 4 kinds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows. So 4 cross 4. 4 into 4 is 16. How many panels? Two panels. So 16 into 2 is 32. See the option that is in option 1. That's it. So have a glance on the solution. Any doubts, you can comment in the chat. Students, anyone else has got doubt in this question? Okay. Thank you for your responses. So next question. Moving on with the next question. Yeah, try this question. First, read the question, then proceed. Comment your answers in the chat. Then I will explain the solution on the question. So many students have given your option as D, fourth option. So super excellent. That's correct. So a company decides a new identity code for all its employees. This identity code would comprise of 5 letters. Okay. So we should have only 5 letters in this identity code. This is a condition that can be formed using alphabets of English language, such that fifth letter is always a consonant. This is a very important point. So in English alphabet, we have 26 alphabets, correct? So out of that, we have 5 vowels. Vowels will be A, E, I, O, U. Balance 26 minus 5 is 21. This is called consonants. Clear? Now, what you have to do is, out of 26 letters, I am choosing 4 letters. Okay. So that is how many combinations they are asking. Balance is, we have 21 consonants. Fifth letter is always should be a consonant. So 21 power 1. That is option 4 is the answer. So these many combinations we can choose the identity code. Understood? That's it. So have a glance. If it is clear and understood, give me a thumbs up or yes. Understood the key. Okay. Have you all understood, students? Shall we move on with the next question? Yeah. Next question. So have a glance on the question. So try this question. What will be the cost of fencing rectangular compound if the wire cost rupees 20 per meter? This is the rectangular compound. Okay. You have to put fencing for this one. Now it is given that area and length is given. Okay. In the question, this question seems like data sufficiency. Uh, with option one, can you solve this question, or with option two, or both one and two, or either one or two? So this is the question. Okay. So first, yeah, both one and two. Akshay and Tanshit, super, excellent. So this is length and this is breadth. Okay, of a rectangle. So area is given. Area is L into B. Correct. So L into B. This value is given 40 equal to L into B. This is using option that is statement given one first statement. So with using this first one, we can't find. We can't further move on with the question. So I'm using our second option, that is L equal to 2B. Second is given as L equal to 2B. So I'm substituting this here in place of L. So 2B into B, that is 2B square equal to 40. So I can cancel 2 table, 2 ones are 220 times. Now B square equal to 20. So B equal to root of 20 can be written as 4 into 5. On further simplification, root 4 is 2. So 2 root 5. So I got B value. So obviously I'm using both 1 and 2. Correct. So with the help of second statement only, I can proceed with first statement. So it is clear that both 1 and 2 are required. Okay, understood? So have a glance. If it is understood, give me a thumbs up, students. Okay, have you all understood, students? Shall we move on with next question? Okay, thank you for your responses. So next question. Yeah, try this question. So excellent answer. Excellent students. 3,600. So what is the least perfect square? So you have to make this point. Least perfect square. Perfect square means example 1, 4, 9, 64, 121, 144, 169. These are all perfect square. Okay. Least perfect square that is divisible by 24, 30, and 60. Suppose if I take option 3600 means, so I have to check with 24 table whether it is divisible. So it is divisible. 30 table, it is divisible. 60 is divisible. Okay. Uh, Among the four options, first one will not be divisible, and third and fourth may be divisible. But when compared with the second option, this is the least perfect square. So answer is 3600. Okay. So very good. So Tanish, Devojit, Kirtan, Pradhan, excellent students. Aditya, Rohit. So actually, you mentioned as 14400. So that is wrong. Actually, you can have with 3600, second option. Okay. Super excellent. So others, you can have a glance on the question and the answer. Then we can move on with the next question. So moving on with the next question. Yeah, try this question, students. So answer is 30. Second option 2, 7. Tanish 30. Okay. So we can see. So what is the least number they're asking? Least number by which 1470 must be divided. Okay. To get a number is a perfect square. Suppose if I take option 30. Okay. If I am dividing 34 are 120. Okay. Balance is 27. Here it is 0. So 30 into 9, 270. So remainder 0. So I'm getting 49. So 49 is a perfect square. So this is the least number. Clear? So answer is option 2. So if you divide by 7, you won't get a number. Suppose 1470 divided by 7. 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 0. So 210 is the quotient. So 210 is not a perfect square. So you can change it. So answer is 30, 30 is 30. Okay, that's it. So you have to be careful while dividing. They're asking a perfect square and a least number. If suppose if you are getting perfect square as 144, suppose in the quotient means, and you are getting 49 means, you should not take this as the number because they're asking the least number. So least number means 49 is a least square number, perfect square. Okay, that's it. So have a glance, students. So other students, you can have a glance. Those are completed, very good, excellent. So others can have a glance. Okay, next question. Try this question, students. Comment your answers in chat. Let me see who's the first person getting the answer for this question. So have you all solved this, students? So 9. So exactly. Excellent. Akshay, Devojit, Aditya, super students. So sum of digits of 3-digit number is subtracted from the number. Okay, suppose if I take a sum of digit as, suppose if I take a 3-digit number 1, 2, 3, sum of digit is you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is, if you add, you will get 6. This is subtracted from 3-digit number. So I will remaining, I will get 117. Okay. So this value should be divisible by which numbers? Only 6. If you want to divide a number by 6 means it should be divisible by both 2 table and 3 table. Okay. 2 table, the last digit is odd, so it is not divisible by 2. So so eventually it is not divisible by 6 table. Option 1 is eliminated. So for 3 table and 9 table, you have to add sum of digits is divisible by 9. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3 and 9. So we don't find option 3. So this is eliminated. And this also eliminated. We have only one option, that is second option. So it is divisible by option, second option 9. That's it. So have a glance. If it is clear, give me a thumbs up in the chat. So others, those are completed. That's really great. So others, you can make a note this question. Shall we move on with next question? Next question. Try this question, students. Excellent students. So many students have given us option D. Super. So there are two bags A and B. Okay, so we have two bags A and B. A contains 6 red flower and 3 pink flowers. Okay, so total 6 plus 3 is 9 we have in bag A. Bag B contains 2 red flower, 7 pink flower. So total is 9. Okay. One flower is chosen from a bag randomly. Okay. Total. So 9 plus 9 is 18. This should be in the denominator. They're asking one flower is chosen from a bag. What is the probability that flower chosen is pink? Pink, how many flowers you have? So total 3 here, 7. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. You can cancel this by 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. So answer is option D, fourth option. That's it. So very good students, excellent. So many students have given your answers. Aditya, Debojit, and Raha. Next, Tanish, Akshay, excellent. Okay, very good. So other students, you can have a glance and make a note of it. Okay, have you all understood, students? Shall we move on with the next question? Yeah, try this question. Super. Aditya, Jayashree, Debojit, Rohit, Akshay, excellent for your answers. So we can have a glance. So a bread making machine can make bread of 50 kg dough in 3 minutes. How many such machines are required? This is a question they're asking. To make breads of 300 kg dough in 6 minutes. This is related with time and work. So whenever if you see these questions, we have a short trick. Men time days divided by men to T2 D2 equal to W1 by W2, where refers number of men, T time, T number of days, W1 is work done. Okay, so in this question we have a bread making machine. So one machine. So one machine, what is the time given? 3 minutes. Weight is 50 kg divided by how many such machines they are asking. So machine, so I don't know. So M into 6 minutes time is given divided by weight. So 300 kg. So you can cancel 1 0 1 0. 5 table. 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. So further 6 cancels. So M equal to 3. So only 3 is left. So option B is the answer. That's it. So many students have given your answers as 6, 5, and few of them are 3. Yeah, most of the students are 3. Okay, correct. So only 2 people have given 6 and 5. So others are all 3. So excellent. Okay. So remaining students, you can have a glance and make a note of this trick. This is applicable for all time and work. These questions. Okay, this trick. So based on the question, you can substitute the requirements. Okay, that's it. So other students, you can have a glance. So any doubts, students, in this question? Hope you guys understood this trick, short trick. Shall we move on with next question? Okay, next question. Yeah, try this question. So excellent, Debojit, Sushoban, Tanish. So answer is option A. So the list price of an electric iron is 300 rupees. List price means market price. See, we people will be visiting to shops. Okay, in that there will be a market price that is called 300 rupees. And two successive discounts are given, 15 and 10 percentage. So what is the selling price? So see here, 300 rupees we have now, 15 percentage discount. Okay, for a discount for percentage we have one shortcut. Okay, suppose if the given answer is given question 300 means from the last if you move and keep one decimal point it becomes 30. 10 percentage is 30. Okay, what about 5 percentage? So half of 10 is 5, so half is 15. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 percentage is 45. Correct. So you have to subtract 45 from this 300. Balance will be 5. 10 minus 5 5, here it is again 9 minus 4 5, so it becomes 2. So again it is 10% discount. So from the last if you move and keep one decimal point, that is 25.5. This is 10 percentage. So subtract this 10 percentage from here. So 25.5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. It becomes 4, which means 14. So 9. Further it becomes 4. So 229.5 decimal here. So which is in option A. Understood? That's it. So have a glance, students. Hope you guys understood. Yeah, Akshay, you can use successive discount formula also. Yes, correct. Even that you can use, or else you can use by this. I am saying about logic. Okay. So successive discount you can use. Yes, D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 by 100. Okay. So first discount is 15. Second is 10. So if you substitute 15 plus 10 minus 15 into 10 by 100. So 0 0 cancel. 15 plus 10 is 25. Here it is minus 1.5. So if you subtract, you will get 23.5. Correct. So out of 300, 23.5 is the value for this one. Yeah, out of 100, you have to subtract 23.5. Balance will be 60, 67, I think 66.5. This value will be subtracted. So you will get the 229.5. Okay, that's it. So excellent. You can even use this method also. So Akshay, very good Akshay. .5. So out of 100, you have to subtract 23.5 means it becomes 76.5. So out of 100, 23.5, if you subtract, you will get 76.5. Okay. This 76.5, what is 76.5 percentage of 300 is 229.5. So that is option A. That's it. Okay. So this subtraction also we have to be very careful. If we have to cross check it after subtraction, or else even a single digit may lead, maybe answer is wrong. Okay. So instead of solving this, so I have done that simple method. Okay, that's it. So understood, students. So both method I have explained. So which is easy, you can have it. Shall we move on with the next question? Yeah, try this question. Which of the following number is divisible by 11? So we have shortcut for this number divisible by 11. Okay, the shortcut is um, sum of digits at odd places. minus sum of digits at even places equal to 0 or 11. Okay. Suppose if I choose option 4. Okay. So 4, 1, 5, 6, 2, 4. This is odd places. Okay. 4 plus 5 plus 7. That is 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Minus even places. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. This difference should be 0 or divisible of 11. If it is the case, then the entire number is divisible by 11 table. Okay. This is the shortcut for 11. Okay. Same sum of digits at even places. Don't use this normal method, normal division method. It takes time. So 11 table, 11 threes are 33, balance 85. So 11 sevens are 77. This is also divisible, but it takes more time. This is very simple. Okay. So have a glance, students. So one person has answered. Akshay Kumar, option 4. Excellent. Very good. So others, you can make a note of this trick. Okay, students. So have you all understood this one? Super Akshay Prasad, 4 option. Right. So we can move on with the next question. Yeah, try this question. A large rubber cushion can be filled with air pump in 10 minutes. Another pump can fill the same cushion 12 minutes. So both pumps operate together. How long will it take to fill? So we can solve this question. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12. So for 1 minute, okay. So LCM is 10 and 12. LCM will be 60. 10 6 are 60, 12 5 are 60. So balance is 5 plus 6, 11 by 60. Okay. If you take reciprocal, it becomes 60 by 11. If you divide further, 11 5s are 55. Remainder is 5. So 5 by 11. So option 4 is the answer. That's it. Okay. So make a note. So two persons, Rohit and Akshay, have given your answers. Excellent students. Others can have a glance. So any doubts in this above question, students? Okay, shall we move on with the next question? Next question. What is the difference between HCF and LCM of two numbers? 20, 30 and 60. Try this question. So answer 120, 110, 100, 130. So what answer you will be getting? So first we have to take LCM. Okay, LCM of 20, 30, and 60. 2 tens are 20, 2 15, 2 30. Again, 2 table. 2 fives are 10, 15, 2 15. Again with 5 table. 5 ones are 5 threes are 3s are. So again with 3 table. 3 1 times, 1 times, 1 times. So 5 4 4 is a 20, 20 into 3 60. Correct. And now HCF and LCM. So try this one. So LCM will be 60, but so if you multiply the next number into to 120, and HCF will be, that is 20, 30, and 60. This is 15 times 30 0. Again 60 and 20. 3s are 60. So 120 minus it actually, but 110. Jayshri 120 and Rohit, how you are getting 110? Akshay 120 option 3. How you people are getting 120? So according to this question, we are getting LCM is 60, correct, and HCF is 20. So difference between 60 and 20 is 40, correct? Okay, yeah, that's it. So the method is this one. Okay, so maybe number may be changed. So moving on with the next question. Yeah, try this question. Yeah, try this question, students. So 9, Akshay, super Akshay, excellent. So by observing the question, Rahul played well in this season. His current batting average is 51. If he scores 78 runs in today's match, his batting average will become 54. How many matches had he played in this season? Okay, this is a question. So actually, his current batting average is 51. They're asking how many matches he played. Okay. So we know average equal to sum of observation divided by total number of observations. Correct. So 51 current batting average plus 78 divided by, okay, this is according to question. His current batting average is 51. Number of matches plus today's match 78 equal to played X matches plus today's match equal to 54. Okay, this is, it will become, next step you have to cross multiply this. So 51x plus 78 equal to 54 into x plus 1. So next step, if you multiply 54x plus 54, okay, next step, it becomes, if you bring this, it becomes 54 minus 50 minus 3x equal to 24, x equal to 8. So how many matches had he played in this season? So you have to include today's match, that is x plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is option 3. Okay, that's it. So you can have a glance. So with this, we can wind up the session. You can have a glance, students. Any doubts you can ask me, and you can comment how was the today's session in the chat. Are we going very fast, medium? Is this okay? Is this speed is enough? Comment your suggestions in the chat. So Tanshit has given response. Thank you, Tanshit. What about other students? Akshay Prashad, thank you. It was a great session, sir, and the pace is okay. You're not going too fast, neither too slow. Yeah, thank you, Akshay. What about other students, ma? Jai Shri, Aditya. Okay. Hope I'm going good for everyone. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for an introduction session. Bye. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
Hari. Thank you, Hari.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.